It's Monday 23rd of March and I'm loaded for bear, as our American cousins might say. Yeah, I'm on another trip. It's a road trip. Is it a road trip if you're not going in a car? I don't know. I'm going on a train and a boat. Got my cycling jeans on. That's better. This white plastic Sigma sports bag was getting on my nerves at the front there, kept on falling off. I'm heading to Surrey, by the way, Surrey railway station. Ooh, new trail, not been here before. I was going to say, is it technically a gravel ride if you're riding your gravel bike on tarmac? Because I was going to make it a tarmac ride all the way to the station, but I've ridden off-road now. So yeah, it is definitely a gravel ride now. But that's an interesting question, isn't it? Is it a gravel ride if you're on your gravel bike? Right, so we're at Tolworth, busy traffic roundabout, but this site is quite historical. This used to be the Toby Jug pub, and it was the first gig of David Bowie and the Spiders from Mars tour in 1972. That's pretty historic, isn't it? The first gig that they did. I mean, it was a tiny place, probably only held about a couple of hundred people, but yeah, it was here. Right, through the middle of the roundabouts, yeah, this is the A3 coming through here. Oh, there it is. He was more trusting than me with the traffic. Nice blossom. Cycle Highway 29. Cyclopedia in where are we? Tolworth/Surrey. I bought my first ever proper mountain bike from there in 2001. I'd had 160 quid's worth of kind of shit from Halfords, and I thought that was all the bike that I'd ever need. But by 2001, I was spending £1,000 here. Bought my Specialized FSR Enduro, and what a great bike. I absolutely ragged that to bits over the years. Still got it dismantled in my garage, but I can't bear to throw it away, the frame. But yeah, this was where it all started. Got our eyes everywhere here. Here we go. Train station to the left. Oh, how are you supposed to get on that? Oh, there it ends. Brilliant. Surbiton or Seething Wells. And there she is, look, the Art Deco classic that is Surbiton Station with the clock and everything. Brilliant. Right, so I've already bought my ticket. I'm on the Oh, it's 9:42 to Woking. Platform 3 to the trains. Alright, there we go. 8.72 kilometres. Better save this before the train starts moving. Don't want any cheeky kilometres on there, do we? Right.
Or text us on 61016
Okay.
and we'll get it sorted. That's 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
Dave Gunston, I wonder who he is. Right, that's another 1930s style signal box, isn't it? Engine just about to come through. What's that? Freight engine. Oh, Steve. Got my flat white while I wait for the train. That's my train.
Platform 5 for the 10:25 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour via Guildford, calling at Guildford, Farncombe, Godalming, Hazelmere, Liphook, Liss, Petersfield.
We've got a 4-bike situation here. Almost here. Right, well that's a bit painful. No bikes on the crossing today because the Fastcat isn't working. And the bus replacement service or whatever they've got doesn't accept or can't fit any bikes in, so I'm going to have to go to the slow ferry crossing. That's where I just came in, Portsmouth Harbour, and look, there's the old Spinnaker Tower. Spinnaker Tower, I think they call it down here. So why did I come down on the train when I've got a perfectly acceptable bike that I could have ridden down here? Well, there's 2 routes down to Portsmouth from my house. One is on the road bike, and I did that last June, I think. Rode the road bike down here. It's a great ride. It's pretty tough though. Lots of hills on the way. And I didn't want to bring the road bike this time. So that was one. The second way is via the gravel bike, this one, and you'd follow the Shipwrights Way. Now again, I did that last year, so again I've done both of those rides already. Check out both of the videos, separate videos, they're very good. But did that last year and it's a big old day out, and frankly I couldn't be bothered. So I thought I'd get down here on the train and then enjoy the riding on the Isle of Wight.
Thank you.
Not hanging around, are they? Alright, just waiting to load. Been here about an hour and a half now. It's not a fun place to hang around basically. There's not a lot to do. At least it's sunny. of course. Right, we're finally underway. 15 minutes late, but there's the smaller car ferry there, look. Just a few cars, people still sitting in them. There's the Isle of Wight behind me. It looks like it's a bit peering out of the mist, isn't it? Because it's, I'm sure it's... Cyclists ready to go here, look. It's very good.
Yeah, it's a bit of a faff, isn't it, getting it across?
Yeah.
Get it going now.
This is obviously you're riding off-road.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, and you. That was confusing, wasn't it? Yeah. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Here he is. My ride. Hello. Yeah, how's it going?
Yeah, sure.
Good. There we have the familiar Culver Down monument. And the cattle grid.